welcome to DerekPark.com. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up a VPN server on Windows 7 box. For recording and demonstration purpose, I'll be using private addressing on private network, but the same concept applies when using public IP on internet. We'll start by opening up Control Panel and we'll select Network and Internet. From the top, select Network and Sharing Center. On the left, select Change Adapter Settings. Hit the Alt key on your keyboard and select File, New Incoming Connection. And from the wizard, check the users you want to give access to for VPN and select Next. How will people connect? Make sure to check through the internet. Next. For this page, I'm going to leave everything on a default and select Allow Access. And the incoming connections has been created, and please do note the computer name is Win7, and we'll select Close. And on the Connections panel, we could see a new icon incoming connections has been created. We'll open up the command prompt by typing in CMD and enter. And in the command prompt, we'll type in ipconfig. And the IP address of the server is 10.0.0.16. And the IP address of the default gateway is 10.0.0.1. And we'll open up the internet browser, and in the internet browser we'll type in the IP address of the default gateway, which is 10.0.0.1, and fill in your credentials for your router. And in the router admin page, we'll locate port forwarding. It may be different on your router, so make sure to browse around. And in the port forwarding, we need to go ahead and forward PPTP to our server. So I have already created the PPTP service, and it's starting at port 1723 and ending on port 1723, and it's being redirected to our server 10.0.0.16. And certain router manufacturers require you to set up a PPTP pass-through, so make sure to check with your router manufacturers on that. And we'll go ahead and configure our client to connect to our server by opening up the control panel. And in the control panel of our client, we'll select Network and Internet. And on the top, select Network and Sharing Center. And towards the middle, select Set up New Connections or Network. Select Connect to a Workplace. And how do you want to connect? We want to connect using My Internet Connection. And in the internet address, type in the address of your VPN server, which in our case is 10.0.0.16. And you could also specify the destination name, but we'll go ahead and leave it on default. And enter your credentials for the VPN account. And select Connect. And as you can see, VPN connection has been established. And we'll go ahead and open up Run and see if you can access shared folders on the server. Type in RUN, enter, and in the open field, type in / the name of your server, which in our case is Win7, and we should be able to access all the folders that you've shared on that server. And as you can see, I have full access to my desktop, and you're good to go. And we'll go back to our server to check the connections panel. And on the connections panel, we could see that there's one incoming connection, and that connection is by Derek Park. Alright, so thank you very much, and this has been the tutorial for how to set up a VPN server on Windows 7. And if you have any questions or need additional tutorial, please visit me at derekpark.com. Thank you.